Thanks to the internet, everything related to the world of work is changing and evolving to a great extent. Until recently, company employees were forced to always work from the office, but now more and more people are teleworking from home or while traveling. We can use these web applications for collaborative work. First one, Trello. Once you register on this platform, you will be able to have work panels in a visual way for customized dashboards that you create. These are generated in order to organize tasks in progress and distribute activities among employees, so you can manage the group work in the best possible way by sharing resources, links, and files. In addition to all this, the platform itself allows you to prepare reports, hold meetings with other members, among others. The second one is Nozbe. It works as a task organizer, thanks to the creation of personalized lists. In addition, the platform has its own built-in calendar that allows you to distribute tasks and lists among group members. You can also add tags, comments, or share all kinds of files. The third one is Go Conquer. This platform can be used for environments that allow you to manage work projects. Here, you can create virtual meetings, make mind maps, share all kinds of resources, etc. The fourth one is Tattle. In a few minutes, you will have the possibility to create personalized events to share with other participating members, who in turn can participate and interact with that same event you have created. The fifth one is Storyboard. This proposal focuses on the participants of the collaborative work to fill the desktop with ideas and discussions. What this will make possible is an exchange of ideas regarding the projects you are working on. At the same time, you will have the possibility to add notes, images, or audio and videos media files.